Think you know English opposites? Let's see how fast your brain works in this quiz. In this challenge, you will need to guess the opposite of common words. Can you get all 50 right? You will see 4 options on your screen. Pick the one that shows the correct option before the time runs out. Let's test your vocabulary skills and have fun. Are you ready? Let's start the quiz with a simple one. Can you find the opposite word? You will see 4 possible answers on your screen. Pick the one that means the opposite. And the correct answer is cold. Here comes your next challenge. Think carefully about the opposite meaning. Look at the options shown on the screen and choose the correct opposite word. The right answer is small. Let's see if you know this common opposite word. Take a moment and select the option that shows the opposite meaning. The correct answer here is sad. Time to test your speed knowledge. Can you pick the opposite of fast? 4 choices are shown on your screen. Think carefully and pick the one that fits. And the correct answer is slow. Here's an easy one. Can you guess the opposite of old? Check the 4 options on your screen and select the right opposite word. Yes, the correct answer is young. Let's see how sharp you are. Which word is the opposite of easy? 4 words are shown on the screen. Pick the one that matches the opposite meaning. The correct answer is difficult. Think about time. What's the opposite of early? Take your pick from the 4 options on your screen. The answer is late. That's right. Here's a directional challenge. Can you find the opposite of up? Choose carefully from the 4 options provided. Correct, the answer is down. Time check. Can you find the opposite of day? Look at the 4 options and pick the one that is opposite. The correct answer is night. Let's test your vocabulary. What's the opposite of open? Choose wisely from the 4 options on screen. The answer is close. Here's a simple one. Can you guess the opposite of full? Take a moment to think. One of these 4 options is correct. Yes, the correct answer is empty. Strength check. Which word is opposite of strong? 4 choices are in front of you. Choose carefully. The right answer is weak. Think about brightness. What's the opposite of light? Check your screen and pick the correct word. The answer is dark. Height challenge. Can you find the opposite of tall? Look at the 4 words on the screen and think carefully. Correct, the answer is short. Can you guess the opposite of rich? 4 options are in front of you. Which one is correct? The correct answer is poor. Time for a hygiene check. What's the opposite of clean? Look at the 4 words on your screen and pick one. Yes, the correct answer is dirty. Distance challenge. Can you find the opposite of near? 4 options are shown. Pick the right one. The answer is far. Which word is opposite of start? 4 choices are in front of you. Think carefully. Correct. The answer is finish. What is the opposite of hard? Look at your screen. One word is the correct opposite. Yes, the answer is soft. Time for an action word. What is the opposite of give? Choose the right word from the 4 shown. The correct answer is take. Money challenge. Which word is opposite of buy? 4 options are on the screen. Pick the right one. Correct. The answer is sell. Action challenge. What's the opposite of push? Check your screen and think carefully. Yes, the answer is pull. Height test. Can you guess the opposite of high? Look at the 4 words. One is correct. Correct answer is low. Direction check. What's the opposite of inside? 4 choices appear. Pick the right one. Yes, the answer is outside. Think carefully. What's the opposite of right? 4 words on screen. Pick one. The correct answer is wrong. Think about time. What's come opposite of before? Check the 4 options on the screen and pick the right one. The correct answer is after. Emotional check. Which word is opposite of love? 4 choices are in front of you. Select carefully. Yes, the correct answer is hate. Let's test your emotions. Opposite of laugh. Think carefully. Which one fits best? Correct answer is cry. What is the opposite of win? 4 words are shown. Pick the right one. The correct answer is lose. Math time. What's the opposite of add? Check the screen and choose the right answer. Yes, the answer is subtract. Action words. Opposite of enter. Can you find it? Look carefully at the 4 choices. The answer is exit. Direction check. Can you guess the opposite of top? 4 options on your screen, pick the right one. Yes, the answer is bottom. Object test. What's opposite of sharp? Focus on the 4 options and pick wisely. The correct answer is blunt. Can you find the opposite of brave? 4 words are given, pick carefully. Yes, the answer is cowardly. Appearance check. What is the opposite of beautiful? Look at the 4 options and choose the correct one. The correct answer is ugly. Can you find the opposite of thick? 4 options on your screen, pick the right one. Yes, the answer is thin. Opposite of heavy, can you guess? Think carefully among the 4 words. Correct, the answer is light. Depth challenge. What's opposite of deep? 4 options on your screen, pick wisely. Yes, the answer is shallow. Opposite of weight, what could it be? 4 choices are in front of you, select carefully. Correct answer is dry. Opposite of busy, can you guess? Check the screen and pick the correct word. Yes, the answer is free. Personality check. Opposite of kind. What do you think? 4 choices. Pick carefully. And the correct answer is right here. Did you get it? What is the opposite of true? Look at the 4 options. One is correct. The correct answer is false. What is the opposite of begin? Check all 4 options carefully. Yes, the answer is the end. Direction challenge. What is the opposite of front? 4 words on screen, pick the right one. The answer is back. Can you find the opposite of friend? 4 choices are in front of you. Think carefully. The correct answer is enemy. Opposite of borrow, can you pick? 4 options, choose wisely. Yes, the answer is lend. Decision time. Opposite of accept. Check the options carefully. The correct answer is reject. Can you guess the right word that fits here? 4 options are given, select carefully. Yes, the answer is forget. Material check. Opposite of smooth. 4 words are shown. Pick the correct one. Correct. The answer is rough. Opposite of strongly. What could it be? 4 options. Choose carefully. Yes, the answer is weakly. Great job finishing the English opposites quiz. How many did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more fun quizzes like this.